I spent 1,600 USD yuan to buy a Land Rover. Is this a dream come true or the beginning of a nightmare? Everyone says this isn't buying a Land Rover, it's like buying a dad. Let's see how I turned this 1,600 into 28,000 USD. The challenge begins. Those who often dismantle cars all know the reason for tearing it down like this is, of course, for the next generation. The chassis and frame are completely separated. Once the base frame is exposed, what's inside is far from basic. Oil leaks and rust everywhere. The rescue operation begins now. Stripping it down and breaking it apart, the restoration begins. Before and after sandblasting, we first apply a double-component epoxy primer to prevent heavy rusting. Finally, we spray on 3M Diamond Armor coating, scratch-resistant and highly durable. The rest of the chassis undergoes the same sandblasting and anti-rust treatment. Not a single screw can be left out. With the restoration complete, assembly begins. A brand new caliper is custom made using 3D scanning. Next comes the space station docking phase. All bolts follow the original factory torque specifications. Finally, we use an air gun to inject protective coating inside the frame to prevent internal rust. Here's the before and after comparison of the fuel tank restoration. And next, it's time to tackle the oil leaks from this big V8 engine. Let's take a look at the
traces left by the previous mechanic. All the damaged seals and oil rings have been replaced with new ones. Body repainting begins. We have to use German-imported water-based spray paint to achieve the brightest, most flawless finish. Painting completed. This is the result before polishing. Take a look at this finish. How many points would you give it? Next up, deep cleaning inside and out. For a car that's over 20 years old, the asphalt soundproofing materials inevitably release oil and start to smell. So we have to completely redo the entire vehicle's sound and vibration insulation for a fresh, comfortable ride. Time to reunite the chassis and body. Full reassembly begins. We're also upgrading the entire sound system with premium focal speakers from France. Restoration complete. The Land Rover I bought for $1,600 USD isn't just an old car. It's a battle with myself. Maybe it's not the most reliable vehicle, but it's a comrade I brought back to life with my own hands. It's witnessed every moment, from breakdown to defiance, from giving up to gritting my teeth and pushing through. Now it can finally hit the road again. What others see as scrap metal, I see as treasure, because true value always lies in the hands of those who never give up. In the next episode, this long-sleeping 3000 GT will finally experience its true rebirth.